Good morning. So it's another busy day. It's gloomy outside. Like, you can't see it because the camera is so good, you know. Today I have a bunch of more apartments to look at. Honestly, apartment hunting is so stressful. Like, it gives me anxiety because I feel like I won't find a place and then I'll end up homeless. I'm gonna see about 5 different apartments today. I set up all of them so that they're back to back except for one of them, which is like way down in the evening. But starting at 10 is my first appointment. It's 9:06 right now. I'm about to leave and pick up Kay because she's my apartment hunting buddy. I don't want to vlog and drive because you know what happened last time. So let's hit the road. The bedroom is so small. So just don't mind this, but I was in the process of editing and realized that I didn't end the last vlog, but I do have a little story to tell you guys. One of the apartments that I saw on Saturday, I really liked it, and I chose between that and another one, and I felt like I was getting more for my money for this one that I chose. So on Monday after work, I decided I was going to go and submit my rental application, and I took the subway, got off at a bus station and took the bus. My mind told me, ask the driver if this is the right bus, and I didn't, just because I saw the sign that says westbound, but apparently I wasn't right because I end up way across the city, away from where I was supposed to be, and I was like mad salty that happened because I wasted like 45 minutes to an hour of my time. I had to get off at that bus, grab another bus, go all the way back to the station that I got off of and grab the correct bus, and I got there an hour and a half later than I should have. Anyways, I gave the guy my documents, I viewed the apartment again, and then I signed my rental application, and then I had to take a bus and go to a train station and wait another 45 minutes before the train came. That whole journey was really, like, I was just like mad salty, especially the fact that Canadian weather is so bipolar. So we were having like freezing rain for the whole weekend. So on Monday we were just dealing with the aftermath of the huge snowbanks and slippery slopes. I just went through hell trying to submit my documents for the rental application, and honestly, if this doesn't get approved, I'm gonna be so mad. I came home with wet feet despite having snow boots. Anyways, that was my adventure, and there will be a lot of moving vlogs of me showing you the process I go through moving and all of that. And this is going to be my first huge move with like stuff that I have, so this should be an adventure. I'm literally just freaking out in my mind right now. Anyways, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.